Hello guys, in the last video we've solved equal subset sum partition problem using um, brute force approach. In this one I'm gonna optimize it, right? So that we don't we don't have to run for every possible cases. So for these kind of problems, one way to optimize it is to catch uh, the we can catch the recursive call, the resolve recursive call based on what is changed, what are the states, what states are changed between recursive call, and obviously in this case the two pieces of states that is changing between recursive call is curl index and target sum, right? So we probably want to catch the call with the same curl index and target sum, right? So in order to do that, we can move it into can use we can the different ways we can use a class here, or just use a wrapper function, for example, dfs. Okay, this one will be all right. We take the same arguments as in inner functions, target sum, and here we don't need numbers here because we always have access to numbers from the function outside, right? So update recursive call, don't need to pass here. Okay, so I want to catch here. I want to catch these two states, right? So I'm gonna save it in an object catch. Okay, so okay, let's say uh, I need to call this one, right? dfs return it. Don't need to pass numbers. Curl index here is the first function call, right? Here is the first function call, so the index is 0, target sum is target sum. We pass one also. So we don't need to pass curl index here, right? Okay, sounds good. Now it is probably it works the same as previous, I think. Oops. Oh, forgot. Need to update. The recursive call will call this one, but not the outside. Oops. Why is that? Current index. What's wrong with this? DFS target sum, we don't need to pass. 0 here. Okay. Now we do catching inside here. The basically is the same, I think. But when we start the recursive call, right? If we go here, if we go here, we have two. I think I can do the catching here. Probably if I find the data that I need in the cache, I probably don't want to do recursive call here, right? So if the cache I have the cache is a JavaScript object that has key and value. Key will be these two pieces of states, right? Current index and target sum. Current index and target sum. If this one is undefined, then we're gonna let's say not undefined, different from undefined. Then I probably want to return my way, right? Return whatever it is in the cache. Alright, but if it is undefined, it's not cache yet, so I will just I will go for it, right? Do the recursive call in here. After I got the result back, here is the result. I want to catch it before returning. So I save it into result variable and catch it. Current index and target sum equal to result. Okay. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, it works. So that is equals of the sum with catching. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.